am reviewing the Midland Weather Alert Radio. We have the Weather Alert Radio right here. Looks like it's wrapped in packaging so it doesn't get hurt in shipping. Let's see what's in this white box right here. Yep, it's the charging cable. I'm pretty sure that it has backup batteries too, so if power goes out and the cable doesn't do anything, then it has I think 3 AA's. We have the manual, and I think that's it. So I just took the radio out of the box. Looks like we have some mounting stuff, so if you want to mount this on the wall, then you can do that. We have these things, so if you want to mount it on a table, like that, you can do that. Then we have the battery thing. Let's see if we can open that. We have the antenna, which we can put up. We have an external antenna, a cloning port, an external alert, which means that you can plug in a strobe light or something. Then you have the power cord. I just finished this setup and I will go through it one more time as you can go through it again. The first thing that will show up in your setup menu is set language. So you're gonna wanna press select and you can pick whatever you want. So it's either Espanol or Spanish, Frances, or should I say French, and we have English, which I think you know what English is. Press select. And after that, it will go to set location. Now, you're gonna wanna press select, and you're gonna, if you want, you can press single. I already set mine, but you're gonna go through, and you're gonna first press the state, and you're gonna go down which state you're gonna go. And then after that, it will show up to counties, and you're gonna show which county you wanna go. Then after that, it will be done with that location. And then after set location, you're gonna go to set channel. This is gonna select the nearest channel towards you.
A chance of showers.
Which, as you can hear, that's what it's going to sound like when you press this button, the weather. So, yeah. After that, it will say setup done. Well, also, you got to set the time, actually. I forgot to show you that. Set time, you press select, and then it will set the time. I already set that, so. And now you're back here. So, now I'll give you some extra things. Well, if you're at the menu and then you press menu again, it will go to all the options. I'm going to go down to set alarm. This is where you can set an alarm clock. You can press the up arrow to put it on and then select. And then you set the alarm, but I don't want that, so we're not going to do that. And then it goes through set language, set location, you already do that. Alert type. This can go to voice, which means that the tone will sound, or the alarm, and then the voice will show up on the National Weather Service and be tell you the warning and everything. And you have display. It will show up on the display and the Weather Service will just start talking randomly without the tone. I don't recommend this because you're not gonna know when it's coming. And then after that you have tone, which means the tone will just keep sounding until you press that little weather/snooze button. This is alert test. This is an 85 decibel siren, so I'm gonna test it on the table and see how loud it is. So 3, 2, 1. And then you press weather/snooze to stop that. That's what it's gonna sound like when you get a warning in. It's different for a watch and advisory. You might hear a slightly different one, but that's the one that you're gonna hear when there's a warning. You already did set channel, and then the backlight. You can press that. Backlight normal, which means whenever you press a button, this blue thing will show up. Backlight on, which means it's on at all times. And you have backlight off, which means it never turns on. After that, you have button beeps. You can press off, which means you don't have button beeps. Now when you go back down, it goes set events. That means that it will set the warnings or watches or whatever you want to get. You can select all default, all off, all on, or edit events. In edit events, you can just administrative message, which that's like the weekly test. It goes through all of them, but we're gonna go back to here. And then you have set time again and everything, but that's it. And you can of course put the volume up for your button beeps. And also you may know, oh, why is that NOAA thing? It just means that you might have a little poor signal in some places. You then also have the alarm clock things, which means it's on. I'm gonna show you a few more things. You have the weather. That will give you the weather from NOAA. And also you can turn the volume up to here.
Scattered showers and thunderstorms.
Or turn it down.
Visibility 1 nautical miles or less.
Pretty much it on this. All right, and that was the review of the Midland Weather Alert Radio. This is the WR120. There is other versions of it, and you may not know about it. Let's go over the ratings of it. The good thing about it is that it's very functional. It can fit in very small spaces. I didn't know it was actually going to be this small. I thought it was going to be a little bigger. It has a good backlight, so you can definitely see at night. A good alarm. It definitely has a very good other inputs and outputs. The external alert I was talking about earlier. That's a cool thing. Some weather radios don't have that. I mean, that's just cool. Some bad things about it is that the antenna is huge. I mean, I I mean huge. Like, look at this. I can't even fit it in the camera. It's like, oh my god. So that was the review of the Midland Weather Alert Radio WR120. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button if you liked the video. Subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon right there so you can not miss another video of me again. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in a new video.
As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.